Hello, and welcome to the Fulton Library tutorial on using the UpToDate database. Let's get started by navigating to the Fulton Library website at uvu.edu/library. Below the search box, click the Databases button. Next, click the U, scroll down to UpToDate, and click the title. In the upper right-hand corner, click the green Register button. If you want to use the mobile app, register your account on a desktop first. Fill out the registration form, choosing a username and password you'll remember. You'll use these credentials every time you access UpToDate. It's important to always access UpToDate through the Fulton Library database list. If you choose to bookmark this resource, make sure you see Utah Academic Library Consortium in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Once inside the database, you can search for a drug or condition using the main search box, but for now, let's explore drug interactions. Click the Drug Interactions button, enter a medication name, and click Add. I'll start with gabapentin, then add trazodone. When you're finished adding medications, click Analyze. You'll see any interactions listed in the results box. Click on an interaction to view details such as the risk rating, summary, and patient management recommendations. If you'd like to see all possible interactions for a single medication, type the drug name in the search box, click Add, and then click directly on the medication name. Now let's return to the home page and search for a condition. I'll search for diabetes. After running your search, you'll see a list of related articles on the left. On the right, you'll see the Pathways box, which offers interactive decision support. Click on a pathway to open a flowchart that guides care decisions. Selecting a box in the flowchart takes you to detailed explanations and questions to help determine next steps. Back on the home page, you'll find the patient education materials. These are short, easy-to-understand articles you can share with patients. For example, selecting diabetes brings up topics like blood sugar monitoring and foot care. Finally, let's look at the calculators. From the home page, click Calculators, then choose, for example, endocrinology and diabetes calculators. Here you'll find tools such as the BMI calculator, along with many others. These are the basic features of the UpToDate database. If you have any questions or need assistance, please make an appointment with the Health Sciences librarian by clicking on the appointment link on the library homepage. Thank you for visiting the Fulton Library.